Good morning. Here is your video weather briefing update as of 10 a.m. Monday, June 30th for West Central Texas. Important updates. We have an unsettled weather pattern for this week across the region with storm chances each day. So if we go ahead and look at the key points, we have that unsettled weather pattern, which will bring chances for storms each day. There is a marginal risk of severe storms along and northwest of a Sweetwater to Albany line this afternoon and evening, and damaging winds of 50 to 60 miles an hour is the main hazard from any severe storms that do occur. Rainfall totals for this week look to be modest overall, with around hundredths of an inch to half an inch is the most likely forecast, but there is a low 10% chance that heavier amounts of 1 to 2 plus inches will occur, which would increase flooding concerns. Today's severe weather outlook, we have that marginal risk of severe storms north and west of a Sweetwater to Albany line, and a general thunderstorm outlook for the rest of the area. Potential hazards, we're looking at gusty, damaging winds of 50 to 60 miles an hour and dangerous lightning as the main hazards from any severe storms. And the timing, once again, is late this afternoon through the evening hours. In terms of potential rainfall totals, this graphic shows the most likely rainfall totals on the left, and on the right is a small chance, a 10% chance, that the rainfall totals could reach those numbers down there. So looking at the left map, the most likely rainfall totals look to be around hundredth of an inch to half an inch, with higher rainfall totals generally west of a Throckmorton to Junction line. Um, and then the outside chance, a 10% chance that heavier amounts could occur, and those heavier amounts could be generally 1 to 1.5 to 2 inches, and there are even a few areas where it could reach 3 or even 4 inches of rain for this week. So what we're looking at is periods of scattered showers and thunderstorms occurring today through Friday. And once again, those better chances will be west of a Throckmorton to Junction line. The impacts, if heavier amounts occur, like what's shown on the right graphic, flooding on roadways and near rivers, and hazardous travel conditions. And moving ahead, looking at the excessive rainfall outlook for today, we do have a marginal risk north of an Ozona to Brownwood line. We are anticipating this afternoon and evening scattered thunderstorms, which could lead to increased flooding concerns. And we want to remind everybody to never drive onto roadways covered in water, never attempt to walk or drive through flooding waters, and always turn around, don't drown when you come across a flooded roadway. Now looking ahead to the 6 to 10 day outlooks. For temperature, there is a better chance of hotter than normal conditions for the July 5th to 9th time period. And on the right graphic, the precipitation outlook, there is a slightly better chance for above normal rainfall for the July 5th through 9th time period. Taking a look at the drought monitor, most of the area has no drought conditions. Down into the I-10 corridor, however, there are some drought conditions. We have abnormally dry conditions for the entire I-10 corridor and into the Northwest Hill Country, with the exception being down into Kimball and Mason counties, and the southwest part of Crockett and the southern part of Sutton County, where there is moderate to severe drought conditions. Now here's a reminder of the regions of West Central Texas. And that is it for this briefing. Our next briefing is scheduled to be out by noon on Thursday, July 3rd.